Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the grayed out Wi-Fi icon on your iPhone. So let's get started. Open the control center and turn on airplane mode. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds, then turn it off. Check your Wi-Fi icon is back or not. You can also do this through settings. Go to settings and click on airplane mode, and that's it. Then the method 2 is reset network settings. To do it, you have to go to settings, then click on general, then click on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on to reset, and then tap on reset network settings, and that's it. Enter your passcode or face ID if needed and confirm it. This will reset saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections but won't delete your data. Then the third method is force restart. Click the press volume up button and volume down button fastly, and then hold the side button and turn your iPhone off and then restart it again. Hope this will solve your problem, and if not, then check for iOS updates on your iPhone. Go to settings, then tap on general, and then tap on to software update. If an update is available, install it. If you don't have Wi-Fi, use cellular data or update via a computer. And then you can reset all settings from your iPhone, which I mentioned earlier, and that's it. And if none of this work, back up your data, then do a factory reset and restore your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you found a better fix, share it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.